Yeah, hi friends. Today we'll discuss how to log the error details in console and all the error related details, how we can capture from the error. So we'll see full details in this video, and we have using this exception handling and on error propagate this component. So using this error approach, error handling approach, will capture, will log the details. So we'll see see this is the application we have, simple application listener and logger. See if the application is initiated or not. We are logging the details and the payload. See here we have the set variable to capture the query param details. So we have that set variable. So here we are, what we are doing is simply we are just taking the payload. If we have any issue in the payload, so we have a try block. So whatever issue came for a given component, so the try block will instead of failing the complete process, it captures here and then it will route to the on error propagate scope. So here we have in the try block we have error handling. So we'll drag and drop this on error propagate. So here we are capturing the details. So these are the details, and this is a JSON object. So from the error we are capturing the message, details message, and the transaction ID we have given UUID, unique ID, and the timestamp also we have given now. And instead of copying this JSON as it is, we are converting this as a string. So for that we are again using write function here, and this is the JSON data we are passing, and this is the application dot JSON. So here, so application is up and running. Actually I have ran the application. So now let me give the request. So this is my request, and so here if you can observe, see this is a XML data, and I have taken the XML data. So title and artist, here I am giving wrong output tag here. So let me fire the request. So request came. So we log the first payload. So logger information is, see request payload is, we are completely logging the XML. So next, move on to the next processor. See set variable, here we are capturing the variable, so query params, so these details. So this is the query param details we have, size is 3. So whatever we have give, we can see. Then it enters into the try block, and here we are place this try block for this component. So I know for this transformation message we can have, if there is any problem with the transformation, so we can get some error. So that's why I have placed the try block, and in the error handling we have the error propagate. So actually intentionally we have given the wrong data, wrong XML, so it got failed. So it enter into on error propagate. So this is expected behavior only. So we are capturing the data. This is the data we captured. See, we can able to see the data. These are the details, unexpected close tag. So The problem here is this slashes came, so we'll remove those as well. So this is completed. So here we can see the complete details. So this is the first log and the payload, and after getting the error, see here we have the that details as well, error logging details. So this is the logger. So this is info, and see, let me close this one. See, exception details, whatever we have captured exception details. See here we have captured, right, from the error details message we captured the details. So let me show the exact message what we are capturing. So it got, so again I will give one more request. Okay, let me start once again, restart the server. So now the how we are logging and everything is clear, right? So here this is the correct end tag, so we have to give like this. So application is running. So like this way we can place the try block, and in the error handling we can give the on error propagate. If you want to continue the flow, we can use on error continue, otherwise we can use on error propagate. If you don't give this try block and this on error propagate, so this default, this mule exception, we can this is for complete flow, we have the error handling. Here also we can give on error continue or on error propagate. So if you don't specify anything, mule default error handling handles our errors. So application is up and running. So now I will give correct input. So it came inside the try block and this data wave component, and it won't go to this on error as it's we are getting the correct input from the request. So I think we are clear. So I will and again I am giving the wrong input, so it will go to on error propagate and it will capture the error related details and log those details in logging. Error details, exception details, these are the exception details. Unexpected close tag, see this one. So problem is with this close tag, this one. So tag should be like this. So like this way we have to log the exception details whenever required. So if it is a DB component or SAP component or whatever the component, we have to put it in the try block and on error propagate, and like this way we can capture the error related details, full details, and log those details like this. See, evaluating expression, see transaction ID and timestamp, everything we can see here. See, from here these are the exception details key we have here. See, from the details, this is the object, this is the JSON. Here we are showing a string. See, like this way. Thank you.